Hello everyone, my name is Chahed. I'm half Tunisian, half Egyptian. My father is Egyptian, my mother she's Tunisian. I grew up in Egypt, then after revolution I moved to Tunisia. So because I started training with the Tunisian national team of gymnastics. So basically my adulthood and my teenager years was basically in Tunisia. I went to high school there, then I did my bachelor in Tunisia, and now I'm here in Barcelona. I'm 23 and I'm happy to be a member of ESEI family. I chose to study my master's in business management at ESEI because I found it like the ideal environment to apply my theoretical knowledge in a real world context, because I have read that ESEI offer a project-based studying approach, which is really gonna suit me to develop a future career in international business world. Since I came here at ESEI, it's really helped me to enrich my skills, my knowledge, trying to build a teamwork mindset, and help me to discover another part of studying basis, hands-on the project basis approach, which is actually I found it quite challenging at first, because I have always studied those theoretical aspects, but when it comes to take it in another level of working experience, I've never been through that. But actually I'm really glad, because last week we had the opportunity to visit Schneider, one of the biggest companies, and met some professional people who help us know it's not only about theoretical aspect, but how you take those theoretical knowledge into practice. And I found this really quite fascinating that ESEI offered that part, and giving us a lot of professors who have a really good work experience, and they help us to develop this side for our international career. The ESEI have a very diverse community. I have never seen such a diversity in a university before. It feels like a family, even though we come from different culture, different background, but I don't know how all of us connected, because here we are working toward the same goal eventually. And it's really fun how they try to organize classes. People here are really friendly, administration part, professors. It's not here we are obliged to be here, but we want to come here daily, try to learn something new, in a really casual way. So I really love that part. Barcelona, actually it's a city with a very good mix of modern and traditional elements. Besides that great atmosphere, people here embrace work-life balance. There's always something to do or to see, which is make it really unique for international students to live and study at once. My advice to people at the same age, younger, older, whatever, is to take risk, embrace challenges. You need to face some obstacles, to grow, and actually be grateful at every step that you take. Regret nothing. Everything happens for a reason, and no matter where you are and at what point you are, there is always gonna be tomorrow, and that's it.